welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to knit 1 by 1 rib stitch. So 1 by 1 rib stitch is made of knit 1 and purl 1, which creates this nice and stretchy fabric. See, and this fabric is great for your hat and also for your border for your sweater, right? So first thing you want to do is you want to cast on your even number stitches, and then you will always knit your first stitch and end up with your purl stitch, right? So let's get into this video, right? So first you wanna cast on your even number stitches, right? So let's knit our 1 by 1 rib stitch. Take your needle in your right hand, right? And you will always knit your first stitch, right? You will always knit your first stitch like that. And now, as you can see here, your working yarn, your working yarn is on the back side of your knitting, right? But your next stitch is going to be a purl stitch. So now what you are going to do is you're going to take your yarn to the front like that and purl your next stitch, right? Again, your working yarn is in front of your knitting. You're going to take this yarn to the back and your next stitch is going to be a knit stitch. So knit your next stitch, right? And your next stitch is going to be a purl stitch. So take your yarn to the front, right, and purl your next stitch, right, and take your yarn to the back, knit your next stitch, take your yarn to the front, purl your next stitch, take your yarn to the back, knit your next stitch, take your yarn to the front, purl your next stitch, take your yarn to the back, knit, yarn to the front, purl, and you just keep on doing knit 1 purl yarn for all your remaining stitches, right? And now we are at the end of our row. You're going to knit your next stitch and finish with your purl stitch, right? So we have finished our first row. Let's move to our second row. Turn your work, right? And again, it is exactly the same thing you are going to do on your every single row, right? Knit your first stitch, take your yarn to the front, purl your next stitch, take your yarn to the back, knit your next stitch, take your yarn to the front, purl, yarn to the back, knit, yarn to the front, purl, right? And I have a tip for you. If your next stitch has a V line, that means you're going to knit that stitch. Whereas if your next stitch has a purl bump, that means you're going to pull that stitch. Right? This tip will help you when you are distracted by something while you're knitting. So that's how you knit your 1x1 rib stitch, right? Thanks for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.